she does. Right. She's on.
Yeah. Pam's a good luck charm when you bring her something.
Don't tell Jamie that. He says he's the good luck charm.
I'm gonna tell him. He's a grumpy old dude.
Oh. Oh, digging. Peacock.
Nice.
Peacock. Nice peacock.
All right.
What's happening, guys? We're down in Florida in Lake Ida with Captain Brian Chemotech of Operation Tech Fishing Charters. And we're catching some peacock bass. We're doing some freshwater fishing. Unfortunately, it's been crazy windy. As you can see, this tree's barely moving with some iguana cuddling right there on the branches. So what we do some freshwater fishing. You're on? She's on. What is it?
Come on. What the hell is it?
It's a largemouth, right?
Oh, looking at you?
We're casting live shad that are caught here in the lake, and we're live lining them. The big thing to do is watch for your line to start moving and running off, and then set that hook by leaning back and loading the rod, which you'll see me do right here once I see my line moving. Oh, there goes the line. Yep. Oh.
Looks like it's got a little fight to it.
I'm on your left and left of the target.
Peacock. Come on, buddy. Decent one. Come on up. Wow, these things are good. Peacock. Good one. Decent one. Oh, yeah. Ooh, blow up right there. That's you, Kate. You're on. These fish are a lot of fun. They fight really hard for their size. One day, what I really want to do is go down to the Amazon in Brazil where they have 20-pounders. They're incredible fish. Largemouth, maybe? What do you think?
I think I want to make it a mystery. I'm going to just let him hang out.
Oh, no, it's a peacock. Peacock, yeah. Come tight. Yeah. Oh, little largemouth, right? Okay, buddy.
Oh, that's a good size.
So just turn the handle, it'll engage now.
Feels like the head shakes like a peacock.
Yeah. Just remember that quote by your feet. Watch your
Yep. I'll stay away from that.
You got the power pole in the water, so you want to go on this side?
Oh, he's going that way.
Okay.
There he goes. Here he comes. Ooh, decent one. Yeah. All right, buddy. You going back? There he goes. Back to his nest. Oh, I think I just got hit. Oh yeah. Shall I let him eat it? Got him.
Oh, yay!
Oh yeah. We both on?
No, I missed mine, but I got rocked through.
Good head shakes. No, ooh, good head shakes.
So you see how tight they are, though?
Yeah. Oh.
Nice spider.
Oh. Another peacock. Oh, I think I just got slammed.
I can't even get to search.
Oh yeah. Yo, look, he's blast. He's chasing my bait. I know that.
I'm clear you right there. Right?
Yeah. Look. Oh, he got me. Oh, he's on. Ooh. Ooh, dude.
That was so cool. That was like a fishing commercial right there.
Dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I had my drag loose.
Yeah.
Pumping and reel. Yeah, there you go. Oh, he's close to the boat. Peacock, nice one.
Nice.
Good peacock. Bring back. Oh, that was
Nice.
good. Real good one.
That's the biggest one
The one that
today.
hit you, Todd.
Probably.
Oh, that is.
You need a picture with him. Hold on. That hurts more.
Like you knew it was a target,
Because you
but
have
never
it.
saw it. But like all this I've been like, if it's just like a strike.
I'm on.
Like this,
I'm on a good one. Oh shit, what am I on? Am I on structure? There are branches and palms that are down in the bottom there. I felt the fish swim into one of them. No, it's a peacock. There might have been some floating debris back there, but good one. Yeah, sweet. Another nice one. Is that yours, Kate?
Yeah, that's hers. It's
Katie.
got a line.
Katie, you got a bird.
Yeah,
There's a link in the description to Brian's Instagram page for charter information. Check him out.